Good morning, Nisi. This is your hey Mimi. I love saying that, y'all. So don't talk about it. Anyway, y'all, we have a winter weather warning. Not warning, but we got a almost like a little blizzard going on in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So your auntie off work today because the daycare closed. And let me get right into my video because you know how long my videos are. Hello, hello, hello to my subscribers. I thank y'all for subscribing to me. If you could like and share my video and just kind of tell people to come on along to I'm saying if I was recording to come on along and join my Facebook channel. And I know it is, my channel is Hello Beautiful Wigs and Hair Extensions. But I was thinking about changing the name of my channel, but I haven't got a name yet. Now I have another YouTube page with my regular name, which is Melva Stubblefield, but I don't have a lot of subscribers. Oh no, I mean I ain't got a lot of subscribers anyway, but it's fewer on that one. And then I have another YouTube channel called it's Hello Beautiful Wig and Hair and Extensions or something like that. Um, and I have more subscribers on there, but um, I don't always load on that one, if that makes sense. I got most of my videos on this channel, so let me know what you think about that. Let me know what you think about that. But anyway, as you know, um, I always come on here with the same wig on because if you are a wig wearer, you do have your, I don't care how many wigs you got, you have your favorite wigs that you always wear. And I don't have like a lot of wigs. Uh, kind of do, kind of don't, but I have three, uh, maybe four that I really, really, really wear when I, what do you call that? What's the word I want to use? Trade them out. Trade them out. Like I said, I wear my wigs from a week to 2 weeks, mostly a week. I've branded it. Here lately I've only been wearing them like a week, maybe like 4 or 5 days. So basically a week, roughly a week. And anyway, and this is the wig. It's about time for her to come on off. Which I'm not doing that today. That's not what I'm doing today. Um, I've been having on her since I put her on Saturday night. And this is, let me see, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is Wednesday. So I'll probably be taking her off um, maybe tomorrow. No time soon because it's snowing. And I don't want to put on a freshly done wig, which would be this one. Um, and it's snowing and stuff. So anyway, and I thought I was supposed to take out her pin curls. This is my newest one, the invisible whole lace. Um, yeah, invisible whole lace by I think by Brown Sugar. Uh, this is like my second one I've purchased, and when I say I love these wigs, but what I do is, if you're not familiar, I like to add tracks in them. I like to add tracks in them because I like them. I like this particular wig is not as long as I like my wigs and not as full as I like to wear them because I like to wear them a little fuller. Now, when I came on her not the first time, I shouldn't say that. Showing this particular wig, I didn't have any tracks in it, and to be honest, I could stand for her to be a little longer, actually. At least that's probably about maybe 18. I kind of like 18 inches on me, kind of did. And there is a wig, this wig back here, but cut her and thin her and add tracks to her and whatever. I do have a video up where she is called Prime, but her wig name is Satin, and she's long, and I kind of felt her, but she was a little too long, but I cut her too short. But anyway, but these are the two wigs that I love purchasing. Okay, let me get on with this video. What I come on here to do, which is nothing. Cause Amy just off today, and I wanted to make a video, y'all. And I'm not in my house dress, but I am in my house coat. I know I said in my previous video that I may come on here all hooked up, but I just didn't feel like it today. I may make a video later on and come on here all dressed up and fixed up, but I didn't. I wanted to enjoy my off day. So anyway, here's my pink curls, and I do have a video up of how I do that and how I curl. I curled her with my wand curler, Remington. You can get it at Walmart, whatever. So, and I was in the process of taking down my pin curls. And that's what I wanted to do. Let me check my time. Okay, we doing good, because you know I do make long videos. Sorry, but I do. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all leave me some comments and stuff and what y'all think about my videos. What can I do to improve my videos? I wish I know how to do all that editing and all that pictures and all of that stuff, but I don't know how to do that. And if I have any older women subscribers, tell me y'all's age. Tell me y'all's age. Because I love to watch my age talking about wigs. I love it. So when I refer to, when I say niecey, I'm talking to like the younger generation. You know, y'all know what I'm saying. I ain't talking about calling no 50-year-old woman my niece. You get what I'm saying? Even though that can be, but I'm not talking about y'all. But if you are like my age or older, or a little younger, maybe like in your late 30s or over. I'm 47. I would love to chat with you, because I love watching like my age range videos, whether you're African American or whether you're Caucasian. It don't matter. I just love watching older women enjoy wigs. I love it. I love it. Don't get me wrong. I love watching the younger generation slay they wig, but it's nothing like seeing an older woman slay her wig. You know what I'm saying? I just love that. And so let's get on board. I'm taking this down, y'all. So, okay. And this, like I said, this is my new wig. Ooh, I don't want to. I hope that's not what didn't mess y'all up. I kind of plucked her a little bit, her hairline, and I didn't pluck no part, and I smoothed her down with my wand curl. And you won't be able to see this one, you know, as good as she can look. Even though you've seen how good she looked, because I've had her on. I've made a video with her, with this wig on, this wig on. The only one I have not made a video on, with it on, is the one in the back. And I'll do that one. But I wanted to show you how I get my wigs, and I curl all of them the same way. Because I like the same style. I like for my wigs to look like my hair used to look. Okay, I'm gray, so you won't be seeing that. So don't ask. And I just like to wear my wigs the way I used to wear my hair. If you've been subscribed to me since I've been on YouTube, you can go to my previous videos when I had my salon in my home, and I did an in-home salon. I got a lot of views on that, and I think that's on my other channel. I got a lot of views on that. Let me check my tab. Good Lord. That's ain't even got in my video, y'all. Anyway, look. And if you haven't heard before, like I said, I prefer, I still do wear human wigs, but I prefer synthetic over human. I'm determined to find that perfect synthetic wig that I just always purchase. I mean, which I think I found them. I think I found them. And if you know some wigs that you know of that you think I might like, synthetic wigs with a good nice size part, at least a 4x4 or more, 4x4 or more, lace front with the lace, okay, with the lace. This part, okay. I don't like just a part. I like all of this to be ventilated, and I like a lace front, okay. You can get what I'm saying, like that 6x6 frontal or and stuff like that. That's what I like. So if you know a good wig that you know of, that you've tried, let me know. Let a sister know. Let a sister know. But y'all ain't that pretty. I can't wait to put her on. I'm trying my hardest not to take this off and put this on. I'm trying my hardest because I'm laying around today, and I don't want to lay around in this. I don't want to lay around in this. I ain't laying around in this, baby. Nah, no, my dear. She not laying around in this. Look at this wig, y'all. Look at this wig. And this wig and this wig is the same brand wig, okay? Same brand wig. And I bought this with my own money, and ain't nobody sent me nothing, because I ain't known like that yet. So ain't nobody sending your girl nothing, okay? I bought this one at the beauty supply. We all know it's higher in the beauty supply, okay? But I'm determined to get about at least 10 of these. 10. I want 10 of them. 10. Have one on hand and just hook them up. Your girl got 8 more to go. So I bet y'all say, what is her video about today? Nothing. I was looking at my time. Nothing. Just wanted to come on here because I was off today. Y'all, us are closed. We closed. Everybody's closed. My husband took off work because he almost slid, thank God. That he didn't. He said he almost slid into a light pole on his way to work. So he's here. My son is here. So we just kind of chilling in the house today on a cold winter's day. Yeah. So anyway, let me get on off of here. And I do want to make a video on I love this wig, y'all. I love this wig. This is what I do want to do. I kind of don't want to do it. I don't want to show my whole hair, but I do want to show me putting on my wig. Y'all, let me tell you what my husband said. He said, don't be on there on there looking crazy. Don't be on there looking crazy. So I said, well, I already made a video with my bonnet on. He said, yeah, don't be on there like that. So, ain't Mimi gonna come on here fixed up one day. I didn't feel like doing it today. Maybe I'll come on later on, but it's still early. It's like 9 o'clock. So, which that's late to me, but too early to be getting fixed up and I ain't going nowhere. So anyway, anti-way. Let me show y'all this before I get on off of here. This is my my full lace wig my full lace synthetic wig that I made for myself a while back. And as you know, you may not know, uh, I do make wigs. I do make full lace, full lace wigs. Now at the time, I'm not taking any orders. Okay, and if you would like to get a full lace wig, synthetic wig made, um, you can look for my number and all of that. I'm really not trying to promote, but if you just really just love my work and be like, man, but that's pretty, that's fine. Go ahead and get in contact with me, and I can tell you this is not no beauty supply cost. Okay, so if you wanted to get a wig made, a full lace synthetic wig made, or wig made, they are in the pricey range. I'm just being honest, okay? Because I work with my hands. I am a retired um, hairstylist. I did hair for 26 years, and I've been making wigs for 12 years. And it's not no paste and cut, okay? It's professionally made, okay? So there you have it. And there it is, okay? So, but anyway, remember I told you I braided my wig, and reason why I don't have this on is I haven't cleaned her yet. I haven't took off my glue. It's really none around the hairline, but it's on the ear tabs. So anyway, this is my baby right here. This is my baby right here. This is my baby right here. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get on off of here, and I guess I will talk to y'all later. That was so quick, but I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Maybe I'll make another video. Just talk to y'all. Okay? Bye bye. Y'all have a blessed day and be safe.